Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the objective, one sentence that guides every slide. Gather assets, logos, charts, spreadsheets, so you avoid interrupting flow later. Once done, create a master slide with chosen fonts and palette. This ensures consistency and saves time. Make sure to set slide size to 16:9 and import any branded images at final resolution to prevent blurring. You'll work faster and produce cleaner visuals when all prerequisites are ready and standardized before building your first content slides. You now construct the content flow: headline, problem, solution, timeline, budget, and closing action. Use slide templates from the master and limit each slide to one idea. This reduces cognitive load. Replace dense text with visuals, charts, icons, annotated screenshots, because visuals clarify and persuade. When inserting charts, label axes, highlight key data points, and add brief callouts so viewers immediately grasp the insight. Once a section is done, run a quick slide order check to ensure narrative clarity and pacing. You finish by polishing and testing, proofread, align elements, and run 2 timed rehearsals using presenter notes. Make sure to adjust slide timings and trim any verbose content. Concise slides keep attention. Export a PDF for distribution and a compressed PPTX with embedded fonts for reliability. Once exported, test the files on the actual display and remote setup you'll use. If animations or fonts break, revert to the last good version. Simplify the animation and re-export. This troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.